Dr. Steve from Sleek Clinic. I'm a medical director of Sleek chain of clinic. In my clinic, actually we deal a lot with skin problems, pigmentation and laser treatment. And in recent years, we also do body contouring and also hair treatments. My passion is basically to give my patients feel-good factor and also confidence. So when we deal with a patient with aesthetic concerns, we need to actually go into all the history, why the reason they are doing aesthetic for. So you will find out that actually all patients come with a story. So what we deal is we do not deal with just pigmentation or just the aesthetic concern. We actually want to also give a patient a confidence boost and give them more self-esteem in their life. So in Malaysia, it's very common to have pigmentation problems. So some of the patients actually come with, of course, different type of pigmentation. Some is due to sun damage, some may be due to hormonal. So in terms of the tips for patients, the first thing is they need to use sunblock. I think this is what we always forget and take for granted. But in Malaysia, basically we have sun whole year long. So it's very important to have a SPF at least 50 and above to be effective and to be combined with your skincare as well. So anti-pigmentary skincare and laser treatment if let's say your skincare doesn't work anymore. In Malaysia, basically, it's very important to find a qualified doctor that is basically well-trained and also licensed to perform aesthetic treatment. In Malaysia, we call it as a LCP certified doctor. So of course, one thing is you can find out more information about a doctor before you actually go in for consultation. Second thing is when you arrive at the clinic, just make sure that the center is also a licensed establishment. This one you can actually take note from the front door or the frontage of the clinic. So it will be written clinic at the left hand side corner. So as you go in, you get a consultation. Also, you can also verify with the doctor or the clinic staff about the licensing. So in clinic, basically aesthetic, we have two types of licensing. A Borang B is by Kementerian and then also LCP to be certified by also the Kementerian for specially aesthetic treatments. So in our practice of anti-aging, it's very common that we do injectables. So injectables, I would say one of the top treatment is hyaluronic acid filler injection. Because as we age, we actually lost large amount of volume on the face. So some area of the face becomes sunken or we see deep folds or deep lines. So when we use filler, we basically inject back to the face to basically give a better contouring and also lifting of the face. So filler made of hyaluronic acid basically easily acceptable by the body because human body, our skin already have pre-existing hyaluronic acid. For elective filler cases, we actually advise patients to stop all the supplementation before they arrive to the clinic. Besides that, I actually do not have a very special advice for pre-treatment preparation. For all injectables, basically we may experience minimal downtime or bruising. So of course it doesn't occur in all the patients. So but to reduce swelling and bruising, we will prescribe patient with a bruising cream and also we advise patient to sleep head tilt up. So this will reduce a lot of the water swelling after injection. Another tips is basically we will stop all the supplementation for the patient until all the swelling go away. So Hairbelt is a brand for Germany. They are a range of premium soft tissue filler. Mainly the ingredient is hyaluronic acid. So with this style of filler, we can expect a very minimum downtime for the patient. The result is very natural after 3 to 5 days. With Hairbelt dermafiller, my signature treatment is actually the eye beauty or the eye enhancement. I find it that in our local setting, a lot of patients actually come in requesting for the theatre under eye treatment because it make them look tired or make them look more aged. So with this treatment, patient has very little downtime. And basically, with Hairbelt filler, we can give patient a very natural, immediate non-swelling treatments. So patient immediately look good. And the next day, actually, they can resume back their social activity because they can put light makeup even they just did the treatment. So every patient has their aesthetic story, and when they come in, we want to know all about their aesthetic concerns and what they want to treat. That's why it's very important for patients to book a consultation with us, and we will actually address and come up with a treatment plan for the patient. So let Sleek Clinic be the start of your aesthetic journey.